saying I'm always working for a fucking fat bitch, G. I don't like that shit. I just wanna make rap music and smoke dope and tell bitches follow me on Instagram and suck my dick. That's all the fuck I wanna do.
That's some ultimate shit right there.
I know it's been quite a minute, but now I'm back with a vengeance. I got a black Cadillac and I pack a Mac with extension. That's my lack of prevention. So if you acting suspicious, bitches cracking, I'm clapping, I'm smacking right at a witness. Fuck with bitches, I've been it. I've been the block in it, tinted, whip with some widgets. It's minted vintage, I'm in it, I'm winning. Flip a switch and I kill it. Hope they don't know it's a rented. That shit could fuck up my image the way I fuck up percentage. Really though, it's my mama's. I'm farming llamas for drama. Dick look like anaconda on the beach in Bahamas, smoking dope in pajamas while I watch Futurama. I think I'm Mario Chalmers. I wanna fuck Kiki Palmer. And your daughter's a Thotto, just like your father Madonna. You sound like blah 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 blah. I look like Gucci and Prada. I'm getting props from the doctor, eating proper with partners. I got a chopper from Rostas locked in my box in a locker. Vinny, Vidi, and Vici. I came, I saw, and I conquered. I had to move out my condo, you know, because of the monsters. Need the chicken, the cheddar, bread, or the whole enchilada. I think I'm Barack Obama, just had a blunt in the chopper. That's on ways to die. Coming soon. Ultimate shit. Make the little nigga say it like right here. That's his ultimate shit right there. Should have said it right now. Twitter.com. Killer Kill 2 Rock.